Here we are at the National Gallery of Australia in the capital city of Canberra. We are looking at this prehistoric art object found in the Anga province. The Anga province is full of secluded highlands and what we know of as Papua New Guinea today. Looking at this object that is 3,500 years old, we can see it is a masterfully crafted stone carving. While we are unsure of who carved it or what its original purpose is, we theorize that it was a religious object for a group of people that lived in the lands of Papua New Guinea. Ancient stone mortars and pestles like the Ambum stone are characterized by their smoothly curved neck and head that could be grabbed with a hand, their wide base that would have been used to pound food and materials, and their human or bird-like heads that accentuate avian and anthropomorphic depictions. Shown here are some examples of ancient stone mortars and pestles. The pleasing shape and smooth surface of the emblem stone indicates that the object, which is made from grey walk stone, was well handled. The material grey walk it was made of is known to be a sedimentary stone native to the oceanic region and is resistant to harsh environmental pressures. The symmetrical and aesthetic condition of the emblem stone indicates that this object took a lot of time to specially and carefully carve to ensure its intricate and shiny details. The Ambum stone is carved to be in the form of some kind of animal, which our historians believe could be a spiny anteater known as an ignita, or possibly a fruit bat or now extinct marsupial.
The object is characterized by its round features, freestanding neck, long nose, curved head, and upper limbs that wrap around its torso and create a cupped space in its belly. The object also has stylized ears, nostrils, and eyes that are depicted in relief, and defined shoulder blades. The Ambum stone was an object that ancestors in the Enga province used for generations for ritual mechanisms. These sacred objects were believed to be imbued with supernatural powers through ritual processes. Similar objects like the Ambum stone were buried in the ancestral lands of the Enga civilization and were believed to have the ability to ward off danger and promote fertility, and instill vigor within the tribe and the land. When Christian missionaries arrived at Papua New Guinea, objects like the Ambum stone were viewed as valuable primitive art objects that were worth money due to their specific dimensions and proportions that emphasize a certain Western aesthetic, ideal, and value. In essence, the Ambum stone is a representation of the legacy of colonialism. It was constructed with a specific purpose in mind by the inhabitants of the Enga province, and then ultimately relocated to an Australian museum where it continues to capture the interest of many due to its exotic origins.